Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we will learn how to make a contact form using HTML and CSS in a web page like this. Here you can see I can write my name and there is a placeholder writing here and an email, a subject and some message and then send message button. Okay, and there's a background image and this looks like a card over the image. Okay, so we will build all this today. So let's start. Here in Visual Studio Code I have made two files, contact form.html and contact style.css. Okay, in HTML part we will do all the HTML thing and in the CSS we will all do the styling. Okay, so now I am using the emit code, yeah, and I am making the title as a contact form. No, make it as a contact us instead of contact form. Okay, and then here in the body I'm creating a class, div.container, yeah, div, and here I'm linking this CSS, and inside the container, inside the div I will create an h1 tag, h1 let's talk about everything, and then a p tag, hello, contact us by filling this form. Okay, this will display to the user as you have seen previously, and br, and it will give a break, and it's free of cost, we will reach you soon. Okay, so this completes our paragraph tag, and then I will use an image img tag to show the image and images, undraw contact. Yeah, choose this one, then alt contact img. We use alt in case the image fails to load, in that case the alt contact img, that particular. And then I will create a form action and input. Then inside the form I will create an input type text, name equals to name and id will be name and placeholder will be your name. Okay, and this will be a required field, and without this the form will not be submitted. And then I will use an input email which will also be required type, and name and id will be of email and placeholder will be on the email. As you have seen, without this the form will not be submitted. Earlier you have seen. So we are doing just the same, and then we will again give a input type text which will hold the subject. The placeholder will be subject, means the subject of why the people wants to contact. Okay, and then we will give a text area, the broad part you have seen to write the message. Text area name will be message, id will be message, and calls will be, the column will be 60 and rows will be 8. Okay, so it will cover 60 rows and 8 columns. The placeholder will be write your message. Okay, so this completes our text area, and after that we will give an input type submit for the submit button, and the value will be send message. Yeah, so we are done with the code. So let's now go live and see what the web page. Yeah, so until now we have done up to this, and you can see since there is no styling, we have not done any styling, so this looks like this. So now this completes our HTML part, and now we will be doing our CSS, the styling part. Okay, so here I am using the star, the universal styling. Okay, then box sizing, content box, and inside the body will be contain the background image, that flowers. Okay, image URL images, and this will be the background image. And font family I'm choosing here Arial, yeah, this one. And then margin, give some margin of 10 pixel and 20 pixel. It's fine, it will be fine. And then we'll give a font size as 17 pixel and some padding 8 pixel. And now we have to style this div class container. Width I'm giving as 90%, height as 150%. I think this will be okay. And then background color giving a hash yeah, this one. Okay, so now you can see it properly. I recommend that it looks like a card floating on the background image, over the background. Okay, now padding, giving some padding will like 5 pixel, 20 pixel, 15 pixel, and last one I can give it 20 pixel. Yeah, then border as 1 pixel solid light gray. This will give a border around the form, each part of the form, and border radius as 4 pixel. from the whole container actually, sorry, border to the whole container. Now I will style the h1 tag and give a font weight as 800 to make it larger. Then color crimson, color of the text, yeah, as you can see it has been, the color has changed. And then in the p tag, font family will be cursive. Here see the font family has changed. And font size I'm giving as 20 pixel, so it has become a little larger. And font weight I will give as 600. And the color of the text will be GB 150, 255 and 80. Okay, sorry, I mistakenly done this. Okay, see the color has also changed. Now I will be styling all these three, this h1, p and paragraph tag and img tag together, and giving a margin top of 80 pixel and margin at the left as 150 pixel. Yeah, now there's a margin. And we will give some styling to the img tag, height as 30 pixel, width as 35 pixel. Yeah, now it has become shorter. And then we'll give some styling to the form and display flex direction will be column, and float right, this will float to right, go to right side, and margin bottom as 10 pixel. Yeah, see it has come from down to the right side here. And then I will giving some styling to the input types. Here input type first is text, copying it, input type text, and then to all the input type text, and then another input type was email, type email, and then text area. Okay, and background color will be RGB 238, yeah, and padding 5 pixel, 20 pixel, then 15 pixel, 20 pixel. Yeah, now see and then margin will be of 8 pixel and width of 90% and padding of 10 pixel. Yeah, font size will be of 15 pixel. Now there's a spacing in between all those, the input. Okay, and now in the input we have to style the submit button, input type submit, and we will give some background color to it with some color to the button, RGB 33, 28 and 34, and color of the text will be white. Give some padding 15 pixel, 17 pixel, and border as none, border radius then 4 pixel, and font size will be 15 pixel. Give some font weight 500, width 255. Okay, see the color has changed. This will be 25, let it be the width as 25. Yeah, now it's okay, looks perfect. So yeah, please fill out this since it was required. Okay, so our website is working and it's ready. So we are done with the coding. Check out the description for the source code and join my Discord community. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.